This is the T2. It's a really sweet full AMOLED 390 by 390 pixel smartwatch. You got music player over here, and believe it or not, you got another music player over there. You've got your step count information, your weather report in your area in Fahrenheit or centigrade. You've got heart rate, you've got blood oxygen, and by the way, when it's doing blood oxygen, it's using the red diodes in the back. And you can add different cards here if you want to as well. You got your forecast, and from here you can change the different watch faces, some of which you can download from the app as well. When you press the button now, you get into all of the different things that you can track: your heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen. There's a sports section with quite a few different sports you can get into. No GPS in the watch though. You've got a sleep report, last night's sleep results and whatnot. Some interesting things like pressure and MET, which somewhat have to do with fatigue, I think. You got your exercise data, a breathing in, breathe out type thing, and it does vibrate, so you don't have to look at the screen when you're doing it. You got stopwatch and a timer, basic music players and weather we've seen already. A calculator's built into it. Your messages push from the phone. Overall settings, and to find your phone. And the settings are pretty elaborate. You can set almost everything right here on the watch from the settings. So with an AMOLED screen, very thin, lightweight, nice TPU band, green diodes for heart rate and red diodes for blood oxygen, it's a winner. It's called the T2. Check it out.